I just got back from Christine's True Warrior Embodiment Workshop, and I can't take my gloves off because I feel so fire. It was so beautifully led. We dropped into our hearts and were able to release so many fears, where we get to see who our true warrior is. And it was so magical because I've never been there before. Well, I feel like my soul was called to the workshop. I have always inside just lit up. When I hear about warriors, when I see movies with martial arts, and always looking from the outside and not thinking that I would be doing my own boxing. After the workshop, I felt and I still feel very much in my power. And that feels like I can do anything. I feel like the cells in my body and like skin and bones and blood are expanded. I feel, I actually had a fear of doing video testimonials, and I'm doing it. I feel in alignment with my highest self, my most galactic version of myself, my true warrior. And I feel like my heart is overflowing with love, especially being led by this amazing true warrior. And so it was a full circle package of being able to witness her in this space and share these codes, and it is really fulfilling. She is capable of holding divine space and really taps into the energy of each individual and really makes them feel seen for where they're at, is able to meet them where they're at and bring out things out of them that they weren't consciously aware of. I felt really held. Working with her is a dream. She is so vulnerable. She is not afraid to speak into things, like operating from the heart. It's an essence, and she just embodies this like beautiful channel of like just pure heart, like pure love. My biggest takeaway was to see myself face my biggest fears with grace and ease, and see who I became after the workshop. I will have these practices and protocols to take with me into any aspect of my life. I would recommend this workshop for anyone. Anyone who has fears, limiting beliefs, old stories, anyone who's stuck in this old paradigm. Even if you're not feeling any fears, we have so many layers. And I feel that this workshop can benefit so many women and men. Anyone who is looking to tap more deeply into their heart. This workshop brings out so much of our soul. We're able to express parts of ourselves that we didn't even know were there.